If you're only making the minimum payment on your credit cards, listen up. A major FICO algorithm change in 2026 could turn that small monthly bill into a credit score nightmare. I'm going to show you exactly how this update works and why you need to act now to avoid getting trapped. Picture this. You have a credit card with a $5,000 balance. You pay the minimum each month, thinking you're staying afloat. But here's the shocking truth. With a typical interest rate of 20%, it could take over 30 years to pay off, costing you more than $10,000 in interest alone. That's the minimum payment trap in action. Now enter the FICO algorithm change rolling out in 2026. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a fundamental shift in how your credit behavior is scored. One key update is putting more weight on your debt repayment patterns, specifically how you handle revolving credit-like cards. So what does this mean for you? If you're stuck in the minimum payment trap, the new algorithm could penalize you harder. It might see those small payments as a sign of financial stress, potentially dropping your score by 50 points or more compared to the old system. That's a huge hit when you're trying to buy a car or get a mortgage. Let's break it down with a real example. Say you have that $5,000 card and you pay the minimum of $100 a month. Under the old FICO model, your score might slowly decline, but in 2026, the algorithm could flag this as high-risk behavior faster, accelerating the damage to your credit profile. But here's the good news. You can use this change to your advantage. The algorithm also rewards proactive debt management. By paying more than the minimum, even just an extra $50 a month, you signal financial stability, which can boost your score under the new system. So what's the first step? Audit your credit cards right now. List all your balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Then prioritize paying off the highest interest card first, while making at least the minimum on others. This avalanche method saves you money and aligns with the new FICO priorities. Next, consider a balance transfer to a 0% APR card. In 2026, many issuers are offering these deals to attract customers. Moving your debt to a 0% card for 12 to 18 months can stop interest accrual, letting you pay down principal faster and impress the new algorithm. Here's a retention hook. Did you know that under the new FICO rules, consistently paying more than the minimum could improve your credit mix score? That's because it shows you're managing different types of credit responsibly. It's a little-known trick that banks don't advertise. Finally, set up automatic payments for at least double the minimum. This ensures you never miss a payment, which is still the biggest factor in your score, and consistently overpay to escape the trap. Even small increases add up over time and look great to the 2026 algorithm. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you planning to adjust your debt strategy because of the FICO change? Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more credit tips in 2026.